Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Singh. I am from Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad. I complete my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from RD Engineering College in 2017. After completing my BTech, I faced a lot of problems to getting a good job, and I was also interested in IT sector. I want a job in IT sector in some good organization, but I do not know how. One of my friend told me about Evision TechnoServe. Evision TechnoServe is an IT recruitment and consultancy company. I had joined on online full day job internship program, which was duration of 3 months. Within 3 months, I got selected in WIPRO. I got a package of 2.4 per annum. I really thank Evision and each and every faculty. Thank you.